Shubor nakaslem jong unongsan Hima.
Menteri Badai ya katanat jengok kai kajela, ubak Lyngdoh, ulaong ba kajela kadon ya ki Nongwohdaw, lakalong hakikin hun ki balang bat ka imlang kasalang, hak ba ki don ki brio ki bakran klem da perkhat bah, bat ka sorkar kamlong kendit haki ba kum kini ki jat kam, Henry ka ba kongsan hi kalong ba phila ban ai ya ka jing ai ka ba kerpang, bat ban ai lat tang ya ka we ka kin hun yam ban le nyam. Habakaran bat kilat pathai khobor menta ka sngi ka henyo tarik nailar arjar arpusaw ulaong ba ki babun kinong jengok kai ki wan chapo ka jala Meghalaya na ka benta ban letpet ya ka ying mane ba jong ka balang Catholic ka badan halaj mkhra bat kinong penyat jong ka balang kimju penmi ya ka jing betha ba ki bawan pet kai ya ka ying mane kendei tang ki riunget na ka balang Catholic bat dei ban shim ne penne ya kum ka ne ka rukom. Hakabaya ba kajingja hapo kari Bangladesh na kalyang menteri sorkar ula pentip baka sorkar jala kan saya le biang ban penklanya karukom yo nong biang bat kari Bangladesh bat yakani anhap ban yakran shwa bat menteri sorkar ka jala ukan rat kesang ma hakajinga lang ka ban sasyong.
Well, we have radicals in every group, every religion, every society. You have radicals, people who speak without thinking. And we're not surprised by these reactions. But the fact of the matter is that you can't have a cave dedicated to the rituals, performance of rituals of only one single religion. A lot of visitors come to Meghalaya to visit our cathedral at Lyngdoh. The church has never said that that cathedral should only be visited by Catholics. So that kind of an outlook is very important for them to imbibe. Yeah, certainly. It will be a much grander, much bigger bust, and we will do it at the appropriate of time once things normalize in that country. Well, the situation is still unfolding. The last word has not been spoken. But as you are aware, the country is right now in deep turmoil. We can only reach out to the new government once things have reached a point where normalcy is restored. Well, we are waiting for the arrival of the Honorable Chief Minister because he has the intention of taking a very immersive review of the entire situation, how it impacts the economy, how it impacts international trade. All of these will be discussed at a meeting where the Chief Minister will preside.